pretend you love me real quick. So, the first thing we had to do is take out, like hug me though, because that's what people do. Like, you can put your arm around me.
What do you need?
I want to be able to tag couple goals. She's telling us.
Ellie! Look, she says ew.
All right, don't be loud real quick, okay? Welcome to another video. Today starts the transformation process of my office. Everything is coming off the walls and we are going to just start new. So the first thing we got to do is just basically get everything off the walls. This is going to take some time, so stay tuned. If you're excited to see this transformation, give us a thumbs up and let's get going. I cannot believe I got that off without dropping any of it. God, man, I'm gonna lock you in. The hardest part about this was taking off my big photo wall. I had that up because I wanted to look up while I worked and be reminded of why I work. When I felt discouraged and didn't want to keep going, I would look up and remember all the memories and remember why I do what I do. And now that is all coming down. But it's just time for something new. Jasmine. Yeah? Is that your elbow?
Honestly, how am I going to get out because I don't have the other doorknob?
Jasmine, why did you shut this?
I'm gonna break the door open.
I have no idea.
You're lying.
I swear on my mom.
I think she has to stay in there.
Let me go get a screwdriver.
Hey, Mama, what's for dinner?
Swear to God, I have no idea.
Jordan, come on.
Why did you shut the door behind you?
I literally didn't. I was putting all this clothes right here and the door shut and I was like...
Bro, I'm trying to figure it out.
I've been in here for like at least 30 minutes.
Why didn't you call me?
Well, because I just started watching Grey's Anatomy.
Oh my gosh, well keep watching it because it might be a while.
Get me out.
Give me your pretty smile.
Babe, get me the out, bro. Don't show this room.
I'm just showing your face.
Okay, go.
First thing I gotta do is I gotta clean all the residue off my walls because I had a bunch of pictures on there. The second thing I have to do is I used to have a couch in there.
Yeah.
And on that couch, me and Jasmine used to do a lot of sitting, a lot of cuddling.
Why do you vlog this stuff?
Because this is what happened. We used to have a candle warmer in there with hot wax. The wax, I'm not into wax. Jasmine wants the wax.
No, you're stupid. Don't be stupid. Don't make me sound like a... I have family members who watch this. I'm tired of you putting this stuff on
Family members?
No, really.
It burnt me. I just want to say that. It burnt me.
No, it didn't. You're such a liar. That wax is there because I sat down too fast and it hit the thing.
You wanted to, like,
no, yeah. Just like chill. Like, hey, what are you doing? Like, don't.
Anyways, as you can see, it got all over the wall, got all over my bod. You know what I mean? It really didn't.
He was working. He was working and
on
I
you?
came to
on a relationship? On us bonding?
Please leave.
Anyways, it got all over the wall. I cleaned it as best as I could. I even hand sanded it, and I'm pulling out the big sander now.
Did you see my dirty kitchen? Don't worry, I'm cleaning it.
Love is love.
Do not laugh about this one. So, when we first moved in here, I may or may have not pulled out my Cricut, cut out a Lego guy, and decided to glue it on my wall. This is the remnants of the Lego guy. I've been trying to get him off, and it is impossible. So we're gonna stick the sander on him, but... What?
Who's ready?
What was I thinking, dude?
Huh?
What was I thinking?
Food?
Food?
Yeah.
Okay. Going black paint. Can you sing it like that?
Going black paint.
Yeah. Hey, you're a good singer, actually.
Daddy.
So I brought a professional painter. Her name is Eliana Noel. What's your name?
Eliana Noel. And then I know how to spell my name. E-L-L-I-E.
That was the proper way to paint.
We do that thing and then we do.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Make rainbow. Make rainbow.
Oh, it looks like an eyeball.
That's how you do it.
So my new desk has came in the mail and it's time to put it together. What that means though is I gotta take out the old one.
Love is love. Love is love.
There's a couple of different ways you can set up the desk, A, B, and C. I'm actually gonna go with A. So because I work from home and I've been doing this over the course of a couple of days, I could not move my computers out of my room. And while I was sanding, dust got absolutely everywhere. So I got to wipe these down. And this honestly took way longer than I expected. So the desk I bought is this L-shaped desk. What's really cool though, as I showed you guys earlier, is you can do it in different styles. So if you want it like straight across, or here, let me go ahead and click it. You can choose between these three different ways of setting it up. I went ahead and kind of looked at my arrangement, and this is the best way. Or I'm sorry, this one right here is the best way for how I'm working, the way it's pictured here. But it's a pretty nice desk, guys. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, my work gave me $500. So I bought this one. It had great reviews on Amazon. So far, so good. It came out to $189, and it has 2,500, almost 2,600 4.5-star rating. So really, really good right here. I ordered this a long time ago, and it literally sat in a box in my hallway for a very long time. So anyways, we got that put together, and then I went ahead and bought this gaming chair right here, which it's really nice. It looks really, really nice. As you can see, this one was actually way more expensive, $240, and it's cool. Has some pillows on it, and then the lower back rest is vibrates as like a massager for your lumbar. It has a retractable footrest, so it pulls out. Gosh, why is this not letting me click it? So this pulls out right here, and you can put your feet on there. It kind of reminds me of a chair that you would sit at when you go get your hair cut at a barbershop. But I've been dealing with really bad back pain. I don't know if it's anything to do with this, but I've been talking to my trainer, and he said, you know, the more my core strengthens, the more my back will stop hurting. So this is the chair right here. It is very, very nice looking. So as far as that's concerned, it's good. The only problem I have with it is that the arms are very high, and it hits my desk right here. So I have to do it, like put the chair really, really low, which is not good. I need it higher so I can be like ergonomically correct. So this is what the walls look like, guys. I obviously went with the black as well as with the gray. And this gray is actually really, really pretty, and it turned out great. The desk was originally right here, and I worked like that a couple of days and did not like it at all. So I went ahead and moved the desk over here. Still got a lot of organizing to do, but I think it looks really, really good, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And we got more updates coming, because the rest of the room is still a complete mess. So we're gonna do a clean with me, organize with me, and have that video come on next as part of the series. But so far, so good. I love this. Side note, I found this noodle from Ellie's plate on the floor, and it's literally the perfect cursive L for Lara, so I had to save it. Also, this chair is really awesome. It feels great. The padding's amazing. But guys, I told you guys about the arms being too long. I took the arms off, as you can see, because it just does not work. But the chair itself is absolutely incredible. Check this out. Pull this out. You can lounge. This literally goes all the way back. So it's amazing. It's just like the arms literally hit right here on the desk. Well, thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. We will see you on the next one, as well as let us know what your favorite color combos are, what color combos you have in your house. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.